So I've always wanted an iPad, and today I bought it. And I bought it from OBBZ. And so yeah, I just opened it up from the paper nylon bag that it was wrapped in, delivered in Christmas wrapping, and this is what it looks like. I'm so excited. Oh my goodness, finally, like I'm about to be an iPad girly. Thanks, big shout out to Wincom for helping me through this purchase, for allowing me play around with her iPad. And okay, so yeah, you pull it here and here. And so I got the 10th generation Wi-Fi 64 gig because I don't think I'm going to be saving much on it, so I don't really need too much space. And opening. Oops. I'm so excited. Let's open it. In color blue. This is what it looks like. It's so cute. I'm so excited. I'm so happy. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's put it on. So I'm going to go ahead and set it up. Okay. Okay. So this is me picking the font size that I wanted, and I went with the default. Then I had to go off because I was using my phone to record, and I also needed that to hotspot and set up the iPad fully. This is how it looked when I was done. What are your favorite apps for iPad? Let me know, guys. Bye.